welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing great. Today I am back with a very exciting haul video for you all, and why not, because Amazon is running Republic Day sale, which is actually started from 17th of January and it's gonna last till 21st of January. So make sure to you also check out Amazon. So today my haul includes a fashion as well as some cosmetics, which I'm gonna show you in a bit. So before we get into today's video, I would also like to know what do you think about today's makeup look. I am in absolute love with this makeup look. It is subtle, dewy, and it actually goes with this floral print dress which I'm wearing it right now. This beautiful minty sort of a look. I am in love with it, guys. 2 days back I posted a makeup tutorial. All the products I shopped are from Amazon, so I will have all the links in the description box. You don't have to worry. And now with the longest intro, we are going to dive into today's video. Let's just get started. So the first product which I'm going to show you is my favorite, and I'm currently wearing that lipstick right now. I actually got a couple of lipsticks on my hand today. So this is the first product, which is by Swiss Beauty. These are their HD matte lipstick. Oh my god, guys, the quality, this bullet reminds me of Huda Beauty HD matte lipstick. They are so gorgeous. This is how this lipstick looks like. The bullet is super sleek, if you can see here, and it's a magnetic click. There you go. There is no compromise on the quality of the product, guys. If you can see here, I am wearing that lipstick right now and it is flattering so much. I got the shade Cute Nude. It is 09. This is the shade and this is how the packaging looks like. It is super pigmented, guys. If you can see here, one swipe you get a really good amount of product in your hand. Now it's gonna be one of my favorite nude tan bronze sort of a lipstick, and yeah, I am in love. I'm gonna get more of these shades for sure. These retail for 219 rupees. Again, always on Amazon you will find these lipsticks on sale for sure. I actually picked up a couple of nude lipsticks. So the next product which I have is the new brand, which is Rini. If you have seen my previous video, I have used this lipstick in the tutorial. This is a liquid lipstick and very light formula on your lips, and it is a check matte liquid lipstick mini, and this retail for 279 rupees. This is how the product looks like. Very cute, tiny, travel friendly packaging, and I really like this shade. So the shade name is Castles of Nude, and I'm gonna swatch this one as well for you. Here you go. Can you just see the beautiful nude shade, guys? I really like it. This shade will flatter almost every skin tone. It's very beautiful shade and very light formula. It dries matte and it stays on your lips for a really long time. If you're looking into travel friendly sort of a product, I would highly recommend this lipstick. So I have this Blue Heaven matte powder lipstick. This is actually the dupe of MAC Meher, and this is in the shade Woody Flush, and this retails just for 113 rupees. However, this MAC Bullet retail for 1900 rupees. I'm gonna swatch this for you. These two lipsticks are actually so much in similar shade. It is actually a perfect dupe of MAC Meher. I'm gonna swatch this one for you next to my Blue Heaven. I'm gonna swatch it for you now. This is your Blue Heaven powder lipstick and this is your Matte Meher. I think these two are pretty close, if I'm not wrong. This is slightly powdery and this is slightly glossy. I'm so excited because I got a perfect dupe of MAC Meher. I really don't have to spend too much of money like to buy this 1900 lipstick. However, this retail for 150 rupees, but on Amazon you will always find this on sale. Currently this is at 119 rupees. So this is from the brand Color Bar. This was a steal, guys. This retail for 400 something and I picked up only for 250 rupees because there is a sale going on, as I mentioned, and it is in the shade Feeling Hot 93. I'm just gonna swatch this for you, and the bullet looks very beautiful, and I'm just gonna swatch. This is the only pink lipstick actually I got in my haul video. If you can see here, this is like a beautiful pink shade. It has a very nice powdery finish as well. Moving on, I picked up a couple of clothing items which I'm going to show you. So the first product which I have is from the brand Uptowny, and this is their pleated skirt. This is how it looks. These are so much in trend these days, guys, and I really had to get my hands on this. It's a very nice satin material and this is completely pleated. So the next product which I have is a jumpsuit which I really wanted to buy, and this is how this jumpsuit looks like. It's beautiful and this has this line going on, so it makes you actually look thin. So yeah, I really like this jumpsuit. So moving on, the next dress which I got is a very nice party wear, and you need to know the price, guys. I just paid $4.99 for this particular product, and this is from the brand Brahmani. I'm not sure if I'm pronouncing it right, and I am in love with this dress, guys. Can you just see how gorgeous this dress is? I actually thought it is a see-through material, but no, you have a inner along with it, so it is stitched, and yeah, it's a beautiful dress. I really like it. So the last product which I have is a beautiful shrug. It is not like a normal shrug, it's a actually sequence beaded shrug, and this is how it looks. I really like it. The quality and the design, the embellishment and everything is so good, and I paid only 600 rupees for this beautiful shrug. Okay, you just need to open this button and you can just have this around yourself, something like this. So it is actually not going with this dress. You can actually pair this shrug with any sort of sequence dress. It will be a standout piece. Very beautiful. Like me, I'm not comfortable wearing sleeveless dress, so I like to have a simple cape sort of thingy here. So this is a perfect option, someone who is like me, who is not comfortable wearing sleeveless. So guys, with that said, I hope you enjoyed this haul video, and do check out all the links in the description box. Ensure to subscribe to my channel, please. That would make a lot of difference for my channel to grow. And also click the notification bell button so that you get notified whenever I upload a video. So I shall see you in my next coming up videos, and yeah, bye guys.